Okay, now in this video we will learn about how to make entries of opening balances. So opening balance entry in Tally we will learn in this video. So before you start the video, kindly download the opening balance sheet. I have shared in the link given in the description and take a printout of it. Okay, suppose we have done the transactions of for the month of February. Now if you see in balance sheet, see this is your balance sheet detail. These are the transactions we have already entered in the Tally. So now there is a row given information like difference in opening balances. It's a 30,939. Actually it's only because of the opening balances of bank of HDFC. So that's why there is a showing difference in opening balances. So this is only because we have not entered the opening balances of all ledger. That's why it's showing a difference. Also you see in the cash in hand there is negative balance 77,946. So cash cannot be negative. Whatever you received out of that amount you disburse your payment. So your payment cannot exceed your received amount. So here why this is happening is you see in cash book, you have received 2,02,054 but you have spent 2,80,000, which is not possible. That's why it's showing negative balance. Once you enter the opening balances here, automatically the negative balance will be removed from here. So this is the only reason we have to give all the opening balances of balance sheet and all the accounts. And if your business is newly started in the financial year say 1920, then there is no required to give any opening balances because it's a fresh company. But if we consider that suppose we have a balance sheet, see this is the demo balance sheet I have created for Axis Electronics. So see this is a balance sheet as on 31st/3/2019. So it is a continuous business. So when you have a balance sheet in hand, then you have to put all the information like all the opening balances in your Tally. So we will start from now. So kindly download the balance sheet and take a printout. We will start with fixed assets by entering all the opening balances. So now go to Tally. Okay, so now we start with fixed assets. Start by creating a ledger. We don't have any ledger of fixed assets, so we have to create it. Accounting info ledgers, create. So in fixed assets, it's a computer. Type computer under fixed assets. Do one thing, create another group. Alt C, create plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. There is a group of fixed assets under fixed assets. Okay, inventory is not affected. GST as of now not make it not applicable. It's not required. The information are not required. So here you see in opening balance as on 1st April 2019. So here we have to put the value. Our opening balances is 80,000. Since it's a asset, so it's a debit. Done. Next is assemble machine. Same under plant and fixed assets. Give balance 2,50,000. Debit. Done. Next furniture and fixture. Then computer desk. So we have to create another group. Furniture and fixtures. Under fixed assets, everything will remain same. Not applicable. Unregistered. Give opening balances 1,75,000. Debit. Done. Next is office chair. Under furniture. You can make a GST applicable later. Now we have just given not applicable, because you also can take GST input on fixed assets. So but now for learning purpose, we just for the time being we give not applicable. Office share is 65,000. It's done. Next is fixed deposit with bank. Fixed deposit with bank. Fixed deposit is under investment. Select investment here. Value will be 5,40,000. It's debit. Done. Next, current assets, cash in hand. We already have a ledger of cash. So go to alter. See, to change the opening balance of any ledger, go to accounting info, ledgers, alter, cash. So here see, in opening balance there is no any value is given. So give here 2,75,000. So after giving this 2,75,000 balance, see later your negative balance of cash will be removed. So done. Next, HDFC Bank, we already given the opening balance. So you can check it here. You see 30,939 is already given here. Okay, next, this 100 debtors. We will receive this much amount. So this is the debit balance of 100 debtors. Go to again alter AN Enterprise. Here you have to give your opening balances. 25,200 debit, and this is a debit balance. Not required. Done. Next, Ankur solution. $35,640. Next is Prakash Digital. 42750. Done. So we have done the part asset part. Now we start with liabilities. So now go to first capital account. So no capital account is given, so you have to create capital account. Under capital account, give 11,00339. It's credit because it's a capital. Then business loan from HDFC. Business loan from HDFC. Loan will come under the group loans liability. As of now, make it unregistered. Opening balance is 3,20,000. So I have to change it here. Mahalakshmi Electronics. Come to opening balance. 18,500. It will be credit because it's a creditor. Next, Manish Trading. $37,240. Done. Next is new technology. $21,350. SG Electronics. $22,100. Done. Okay, so now you see, you go to balance sheet again. Now opening balance differences is shown. Your liability side and the asset side is matched completely, and now you see in cash in hand, see this is positive now. See, it's a positive now because once we entered the opening balance, the remaining transactions will automatically adjusted. Now you see this is a positive balance. So Okay, we've done this much. Okay, thank you.